Well, this is juke bar. Well, this is juke. What is up, YouTube? Welcome back again. It's buddy Technoboy, and in this video I'm gonna unbox and test this Zebronics 5.1 Dolby soundbar. Well, this is 5.1 surround bar, juke bar, ZEB-94000 Pro Dolby 5.1. As 94000, it came to the market a few years back, but this is the new one, the upgraded one, and this thing came out to the market in 2024. So that's why I bought this thing, and as this is a Dolby Pro soundbar, I like that one. So let's quickly open this thing up and check the product out. So let me tell you one thing, that I bought this thing from Flipkart, and this thing cost me 11,990. And the problem is that Flipkart always nowadays doing the open box delivery. So they already opened the box, then check the product, took the photo, and then pack that thing in. So that's why it was a bit tricky to get it out of the box. This thing comes in another this kind of L-shaped box, brown color box with Zebronics logo on it. So I already took that out and left it outside. So this is the inside box, and this is also empty now. So here all the soundbar and accessories are there. That's the soundbar. It's huge in size, and here you get the accessories, or HDMI cable, mounting screws, a remote control. Well, I like the shape and design of this remote control. It's not like the other products. Zebronics other model come with the same kind of old type of remote, all of them. This is unique one, and that's the volume plus and minus, and that's the setting. I like this design right here with different color, and very less buttons are there, you can see. So we're gonna see what else is there when you turn this thing on. And another thing is the RCA to 3.5 mm cord, and this is the documentation. Very huge documentation of a small single card only. So the main thing is that you gotta scan this QR code, so you'll get the manual online. Well, this is for that only. And that's the surround speaker, metal grill at the front. Top side design is nice, like the sound wave, and cord length is pretty good, I guess. We're gonna check that out too. And that's another satellite speaker. Build quality looks good for the price I paid. So let's check the soundbar first. So that's the soundbar. That's the front side, and here on this side you can see the Dolby Audio logo is there. That's a right channel, I think 2.75 inch, I think, driver size. And here at the middle, the center driver, same size, and on this side the left channel, same size. So I like this setup of the front and center speakers. The center is at the middle, and at the back here you can see the wall mounting option right there, and also here, and nothing else is there, only this cord is there, because everything else is in the subwoofer. So let's take it out. Whoa, this is nice, very nice. So that's the front side. At the top you'll get the display right here, and that's the USB for pen drive. That's the driver, 6.25 inch I think, or maybe 6-inch driver, and that's the metal grill. That's the air pressing port, and that's the Zebronics logo right there. And at the top you can see the buttons for power on off. So for volume control, plus minus, and that's the input selection. Pretty basic. And at the back there you get all the stuff. That's the power cord, that's the speaker connection, separately marked with different colors: front right red color, front left white color, center speaker blue color. The cable comes with the sound bar. Here you can see the red socket, the blue socket, and the white socket. I just need to connect them according to the color. And surround left and surround right, they both are gray, so you can understand which speaker you mount on which side. You just need to connect that socket to this one. That's it, pretty simple. And these are the input. That's the auxiliary input, RCA, and that's the HDMI ARC, and that's the optical. Pretty basic. And some ventilation is there, and this thing is metal, I guess. And the build quality is, I can say it's good. So let me quickly just set it up, and then I'm gonna check the sound of it. Right, so I have connected everything and switch it on. Here you can see it's in standby mode. Two LEDs are there. So let's turn this thing on. Very nice sound, I like that. And this thing is connected to my mobile phone, so let's check some songs. So here, let me tell you one thing. Here you can see that's the volume plus minus, and the volume plus minus, and this setting is for the other channels separately. Here you can see that's for bass, the subwoofer, that's for the center speaker, surround speaker, and that's for treble. So you can select them separately and increase the level of the center, surround, and bass, which is very nice thing. I like that one, because I need control of all the speakers, the surround and center mainly. So let's check the sound. So that's it, you heard the sound, and I really like the sound of this speaker. Well, I didn't connect it to the HDMI ARC. HDMI ARC will give you the real Dolby effect, but without that, connecting the Bluetooth, the sound is amazing, as you have heard. That's it. Later I'm going to do detailed sound test of this thing and also connect to the HDMI ARC and going to check the sound. So stay tuned for that. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.